Video log week 1. Due to business transition, the site had shut down for 2 weeks as the company changed from GlaxoSmithKline into Sun Pharmaceuticals. Returning to work after a 2 week break saw many changes around site. My supervisor had been extremely busy during this time, and much of the transition processes regarding me had been overlooked and forgotten. Things like my computer, email, and internet access had not been organised during the transition, and upon my return after the shutdown, I found myself with many things to follow up on before I could begin my work. Because most of the transition material had not been completed, it required me to contact the right people to ensure my details were updated and I had access to a computer. Using my site knowledge and understanding the processes to complete IT requests and work orders, I was able to confidently and effectively communicate with the IT and HR departments to help myself set up my email, internet, and computer access again. Although it took around 3 days to have everything set up and working, I was pleased with the quick turnaround. My increased confidence and communication allowed me to quickly solve the issue and by the end of the week be completely set up and working on my projects again. After having my computer and email set up, I was able to begin working on all my projects again. After 2 weeks off, I found it difficult at first to remember where exactly I was in relation to completed work for each one of my projects. My self-organisation could have been better going into the site shutdown. If I was to write quick dot points of info for each project, I would have had no problem continuing work. However, at the end of the week, to have my computer set up and my projects back up and running was a considerable turnaround from starting the week with effectively nothing. My self-management and communication around the site were the skills which contributed the most during the first week back after transition, helping me fall back into the working regime I had developed over my placement.